Alright, June 21st, 2021. We are at the Tally Lake Campground, taking the RV out for our first RV trip. Brought the cat, let him test it out with us. Go all in at once. This is some creek or Tally Lake River or something. I need to look that up. I know Tally Lake's nearby, but this is behind our campsite, so I'm good. Let's do our little walk. I will go. Gotta be careful though, because I have flip-flops on. That's pretty cool. There we go. That's all we had to walk. There is our 84 Winnebago. The cat is enjoying watching the chipmunks and the birds. He did not enjoy the trip up here so very much, but he did good. He sat in Mama's lap.
Look at him, he's in the window.
Oh, do I got the key in the window? He was checking out where his family went. Let's see if we can see the kitty through the window. He's special baby. He's just scared. There's a kitty. Can we see the kitty? We can. Say hi, Sailor. He's like, will you come back in, please? You guys just got here. We've been here about a half hour. Had to check out what was behind us. I had to get cleaned up. Kitty did have a little accident with all the stress. Look at that. Nice little sight. The road wasn't too bad. First come, first serve. If it was later in the season, we probably wouldn't have gotten a spot, but it's Monday. It's not even July yet. But the tourists are coming. Nice little sight. Little creek down there. We'll have to go for a walk later. We're still waiting for the kitty to get kind of settled. Isn't that beautiful? I think Daddy gonna get Kitty some grass to make Kitty all happy. Alright, part of the camping trip inside. Been here about an hour and a half. Brian's chilling outside. The cat is loving it. He loves sitting here watching the little gnats land on the screen and the chipmunks and the birds. He's loving it. We kind of got everything comfortable. Made a little bed. Got a little fan going. Put his blanket down so he can chill while we go for a little hike in a little bit. That's the view out our back window. Nice. We got some work to do, but we're getting it, making it our own. I know we'll fix that. Pull it down. It's not perfect, but it's for us. We're loving it. I think the cat loves it out here. It was just getting here that was a little stressful for him. He's not much for road trips. But overall, not bad. We put his little carrier under there, but he sat with me the whole time. Got the windows open. We put the bunk down for him. I would just like to say I am on cloud 9. We are in lot number 6. Decided to test the RV out at a local campground called Tally Lake. Brian's got our campground going. Loving this, man. There's Logan Creek in the background. There's a kitty somewhere in this RV. He's been checking out the little squirrels. He likes the squirrels. You hear the lake. There's ground squirrels all around. I'm loving it. Creek in the background. We're sleeping here tonight. Awesome first place to test this RV out. Few people, not too busy. It's only July 21st. Wait till 24th of July and Labor Day. Got it while the getting was good. Lots of ground squirrels shooting up these trees. Sailor is enjoying it. I'll never forget this. This is meant to be, man. This is our dream. Listen. Firewood. Birds. A creek. Forest. The lake is that way. Not very far. We walked around a little bit. We'll do more in the morning.